In this video, we'll go over PRT's settings. Go to the top right and click on the wheel icon. You will find three options: PRT Settings, Sub-Accounts, and Integrations. The appearance settings, dark mode or light mode, and the language options are also in PRT Settings, but you can also access them here to change them quickly. If you change to dark mode, the website's appearance will be in dark mode. You can also change the language easily from here. You can select the interface only or interface and reports. Let's go to PRT Settings. PRT Settings is where you can set the preferences of your ProRankTracker account. You'll see 7 areas of customization. We will go through them one by one. You can also enter any of them from the top menu. Under General, you can set your time zone, default search engine to be loaded when adding URLs, and terms on Ad Wizard or Advanced Ad. The page you'll see once logging in is a default. Appearance, that's the light and dark mode. You can also select the interface language and reports language. Under Rankings, you can load default groups every time you enter into the URL view. You can also set it to show all term rows by default, and if you want to preview, how many rows will appear in this preview. Other columns and sorting. You can set the default URL's order and the default terms order. You can set the base column value in this area, whether it be the first rank ever tracked, including ranks outside the top 100 results, or only the first tracked rank within the top 100 positions. Under Reports, you can set the default report template, which loads into exported PDFs, and also the default template for PDFs attached to emails. You can decide whether to include a key in relevant reports or not. You can also set an additional sender email for the send from part of the reports. You can set the chart scale for all the charts site-wide. Whether it be logarithmic, it gives more weight to the top rankings, or linear, giving the same weight to all the rankings. Under My Ranks app, you can enter your details to white label and customize the app. You can also check and uncheck fields that you want to show or hide. Under white label, you can upload the custom logo and enter your custom domain. The logo will appear in the shared reports, My Ranks app, and Sub-Accounts interface. The custom domain is for masking the shared reports. This is a more advanced feature. You can search the knowledge base for instructions on how to do that. You can also add bookmarks to appear in the left menu later on. These pages can be from ProRankTracker or external sites. Now let's check Sub-Accounts. From the wheel icon, click on Sub-Accounts. Sub-Accounts allows you to give permission-based access to your PRT's data to a client or a team member. You can add or take away permissions in the Sub-Account settings and assign groups to access a specific URL from your main account. In this area, you'll see existing users in the account. You can also see extra data, like their last login, email address, which permissions you gave them, and which groups they're assigned to. And they can see their URLs. You can activate and deactivate a user from here. You will also see at the top the unique Sub-Accounts login page. Please note that this is the URL that you should give to your clients to log in. Let's click the Add New Sub-Account button. First, we enter the name, email address, and password. You can also set a language from any of ProRankTracker's supported languages. Other permissions. You can decide which permissions to give to this user. Edit URLs and terms. Add terms. You can do updates on demands. And save to cloud accounts. You can make it branded. If selected, clients will see your logo when logging in. Admin access gives you full access to all data. And accounting provides access only to the account area and the billing management. Under Assigned Groups, you can decide which groups of URLs this user will see. Sub-accounts are grouped-based. You must select the groups to decide which URLs the user can see. Clicking on Integrations. Integrations allow you to combine ProRankTracker with other tools that you're already using. Once you enter Integrations page, you'll see that you can give access to your Dropbox account, Google Drive account, and Google Sheets accounts. Once you do that, you'll be able to export ProRankTracker's reports to these integrated accounts.